Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun. This GLA 2019-2020. This car, I can say that we have a brake problem. And guess what? Everything is new in this car. How Mercedes have a brake problem? Yes, the problem was that, look here. In this place, the car get hit in this area. And by the way, this is the rear brake, electrical parking brake. But look at the lines. You see this line here? See this line? This line is very good, right? Why we don't have no brake? Look here. When the car have an accident, see this bend like this. Do you believe you're gonna have brakes? Which side was that? I don't know, is the left side or right side, but you know. And here, you see also here, this place here get hit. Let me show you, that's okay. And this one here, this piece here is get hit. We order another one. You tied it already?
I just push it in, you just pull it down.
Okay.
Pull it down.
Yeah. This is this wire here. Also is broke.
Yeah.
Okay. So for this one, this is what makes all this crazy. You see how it is? Now you push the brake lock, or there is no brakes. And you come to open the door, and on the left side is a proximity for the door, keyless entrance. You see this is not good. It's gone. So order on, maybe it's gonna work, but it's weak. But we order a new one. We're gonna have it here. This is when you come to the right side, this is the part number. When you come to the right side of the car and you want to open the door open for you. The proximity wireless for the door lock, unlock. Here also this one. So if you have any problem with your car, like accident or something, try to do visual inspection. It's more better. Look here. Thank you for what. Here we're going to cut it here, and we're going to cut it here, and we put a line here so that the pressure can go easy. Thank you. This one we're going to order it also from the dealer. You can put it in for now so that we can start the car. Because one like this missing, maybe the car will not work good. When we get the new one, then we put it in. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.